Mars, the red planet, the fourth planet of the solar system, which is completely deserted and barren, where our uncle Elon Musk wants to build a human colony. Scientists are looking for the possibilities of life on this planet, but some such incidents have also happened on this planet, which indicate that life already exists on this deserted red planet, but not as we think. Such life which can be good for us as well as bad. And some even claim that before Earth there was life on Mars whose remains are still present there and who do not want humans to reach there. And today, we will discuss the top 10 alien incidents on Mars, which are so mysterious that even scientists, whistleblowers, and conspiracy theorists are not able to agree on what they really mean. Number 5 and number 1 can blow up your mind. Get ready, because the truth can be stranger than fiction.
Number 10. The Face on Mars, Cydonia region. The story begins in 1976, when NASA's Viking 1 orbiter captured a strange image in the Cydonia region of Mars. The photo revealed what looked like a massive human-like face, carved into a mesa stretching nearly 2 kilometers across. NASA dismissed it as a trick of light and shadow, but conspiracy theorists argued otherwise. The face looked too symmetrical, with eye sockets, a nose bridge, and even what appeared to be lips. Later images from higher resolution cameras seemed to blur the mystery, showing it as a rocky formation. Yet, some researchers insist the so-called debunking was staged. They claim the government deliberately altered the contrast of later photos to make the formation appear less artificial. Some even suggest the face was a monument left by an ancient Martian civilization, or worse, a marker left by visiting aliens for humans to eventually discover. Number 9. The Martian Canals Mystery. Back in the late 1800s, astronomer Giovanni Schiaparelli reported seeing what looked like long canals across Mars, stretching thousands of kilometers. Later, astronomer Percival Lowell expanded on this, claiming they were artificial irrigation systems built by intelligent Martians. Though modern telescopes revealed these canals were optical illusions, the idea stuck in the public's mind. But here's where it gets stranger. In 2012, images from NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter revealed long, straight trenches beneath layers of dust. Not natural lava tubes, but geometric, ruler-straight structures. Could it be that Lowell was accidentally right all along? If ancient civilizations once flourished on Mars, perhaps their planet-wide canals are now buried ruins, forgotten by time. Until we rediscover them. Number 8. The Mysterious Martian Lights. In 2014, NASA's Curiosity rover captured images showing bright flashes of light on the Martian horizon. These were not lens flares, as the images were taken by 2 separate cameras seconds apart. NASA claimed the lights were likely cosmic rays striking the camera sensor. But UFO researchers believe otherwise. Some argue the lights were signs of underground activity on Mars, perhaps alien mining operations or even hidden bases. One whistleblower even claimed these lights are the entrance points to subterranean cities, where intelligent beings may still live, safe from the harsh Martian surface. If true, it means Mars is not a dead world. It's simply hiding its life below the surface. Number 7. The Woman on Mars Photograph. In 2015, an image from Curiosity rover shocked the internet. At first glance, it looked like a tiny humanoid figure, a woman in a flowing robe, standing on a rock formation. Skeptics called it pareidolia, the brain's tendency to see familiar shapes in random patterns. But others were not so quick to dismiss it. The figure seemed proportionally correct, with what looked like a head, arms, and a torso. If real, it suggests that alien life on Mars may not just exist in microbial form, but humanoid. Could this be evidence of Martian survivors, or perhaps interdimensional beings caught in NASA's camera? Number 6. The Pyramid of Elysium. In 1971, NASA's Mariner 9 spacecraft took images of a strange pyramid-shaped structure on the Martian surface. Rising nearly 2 kilometers tall, it appeared to be a perfect four-sided pyramid, eerily similar to those in Egypt. Later missions confirmed more pyramid-like formations, clustered together in what researchers call the Pyramids of Elysium. Mainstream scientists argue they are natural volcanic formations, but conspiracy theorists insist they are too symmetrical to be accidents. Could it be that ancient Martians built pyramids long before humans, and that Earth civilizations like Egypt merely copied them? If so, then Mars may hold the blueprint of ancient alien architecture. Number 5. The 1989 Phobos incident. One of the strangest incidents comes from Mars's moon, Phobos. In 1989, the Soviet Union launched the Phobos 2 probe to study the Martian moons. Before losing contact, the probe sent back one final chilling image: a massive, cigar-shaped shadow on Mars's surface, 20 kilometers long. Moments later, the spacecraft went completely offline. Soviet scientists never gave a clear explanation. Some claimed it was a malfunction, but leaked reports suggested the probe was taken out by an unknown object. To this day, UFO researchers believe Phobos is not a natural moon at all, but an alien base orbiting Mars, carefully monitoring both Mars and Earth. Even more eerie, NASA images of Phobos show large monolith-like structures, towering blocks that look anything but natural. Astronaut Buzz Aldrin himself once said, "We should visit the monolith on Phobos. God put it there, or the universe put it there." Number 4. The Black Knight of Mars. NASA has repeatedly photographed strange black metallic objects hovering above Mars or resting on its surface. The most famous theory ties these objects to the Black Knight satellite, a supposed alien probe orbiting Earth for 13,000 years. Conspiracy theorists believe the Black Knight is part of a network of alien surveillance devices, and Mars may hold one of its ground stations. One leaked whistleblower testimony even claimed NASA deliberately cut live feeds from Mars rovers whenever these dark objects appear in the sky. If true, it suggests Mars is not empty space but an alien outpost. Number 3. The Strange Tubes of Mars. High-resolution images from the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter show massive glass-like tubes stretching across the surface of Mars, some nearly a mile wide. NASA describes them as collapsed lava tubes. But the strange thing is, they appear transparent, reflecting light like glass domes. Alien researchers believe these are biodomes or transit tunnels, possibly created by an ancient civilization to shield themselves from radiation. If you look closely at some images, you can even see what look like regular repeating structures inside them, like a highway system for a long-lost Martian society. Number 2. Whistleblowers and the secret Mars program. Perhaps the most chilling evidence doesn't come from photos, but from people. Several alleged whistleblowers, including ex-military officers and contractors, claim that humans have already been to Mars. According to their testimonies, secret government programs began exploring Mars in the 1970s. They speak of underground alien bases, hybrid creatures, and even battles between humans and non-human intelligences. One former CIA employee even testified that he worked with blue-skinned humanoid beings on Mars, who warned that Earth's climate collapse would soon make us desperate to colonize their planet. What if we're already sharing Mars, and the truth is being kept from us? Number 1. Hidden alien base on Mars. In the 1980s, a declassified CIA program used remote viewers to psychically investigate Mars. Strangely, their images showed huge underground chambers, tall human-like creatures, and alien structures. Several people claiming to be former NASA contractors have said that some rover images are hidden from the public because they show artificial-looking structures. These underground bases are also said to have conducted experiments on humans who were taken from Earth to Mars and never returned. One of the most famous claims was from a woman who claimed to have seen two human-like figures repairing equipment on Mars through a live feed from NASA in the 1970s.
So, what do you believe? Are these incidents nothing more than tricks of light, illusions, and wishful thinking? Or are they the scattered pieces of a puzzle pointing to something extraordinary, that we are not alone and Mars is the silent witness of an alien past and maybe an alien present? One day, humans will step foot on Mars, and when we do, the truth about these alien incidents may finally be revealed. Until then, Mars will remain the planet of secrets.